Okay, so I'm going to go over some things on this tent. This is a Andake tent. It's a single person tent. Its claimed weight is 1.6 pounds, but that doesn't include the stakes. It requires 7 stakes, and it doesn't include one pole. So mine right now comes out to 2 pounds even, with the pole that I made and the stakes and the fly and the little pole that comes with it and the body of the tent and this little cap that I use to keep the pole from tearing a hole in the top of the tent. So 2 pounds is the weight of the tent. Got to work a little better on this pole, but first I made a pole out of carbon fiber. This is made out of Easton arrows. It's really light, but it wasn't really strong enough, so I made this other one, which also is a little shorter. I should have my... This one was like 44 inches. I think this one's like 41 or so inches. They say 48, but you know, they're not 48. Maybe I'll get my tape measure later in the video. The weight of this pole is 79 grams. The weight of the carbon 35 grams. So it would have been nice if the carbon one worked, but it does work, but it just seems a little, it was like kind of bent and just seemed like it wasn't dealing with the pressure that well. And I think, you know, in the long run, I'd be better off with this regular kind of tent pole material that I've made up. So it weighs 2 pounds, but if you take the body out, it weighs 1.25 pounds, I think. I had it set up with the body, and it was fine. It does get taut if you learn how to set it up. It takes a lot of fiddling with to get it to pitch right. It's not an easy tent to pitch. But I'm going to try pitching it without this, just to see, and I haven't even done this yet. So, now I'm wondering if I can even do that. Because what are the stakes? Oh yeah, the stakes hold on to that. So this is going to be really challenging, and I've not practiced this, so here I am doing it the first time with a video. But anyway, you may not be in the camera the whole time because I'm going to be moving around quite a bit trying to get this figured out. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Just going to stake out the ends. Stake it kind of loose at first, figuring I'm going to be making tons of adjustments. Okay, we got 4 of the stakes in, so I'm going to go ahead and put the pole in. See if it goes in correctly. Find the top of the tent. Okay, see, it's already kind of close. Let me see. Having a hard time seeing the whole thing, but stick this out a little more and then haul the camera around and kind of show you what we got. Put in the little end pole that came with the tent. I'm going to leave it at this because for sake of not having this video be too terribly long, hopefully it's still running. Can't tell if it is. Yeah, it is. Okay, so here it is. It just took me a few minutes to stake that out. Obviously I could do it better. But let's see what it looks like inside now, because before it was really tight in here. I would have you know, it's still going to be tight. So, but here I am. You can see my feet, and now instead of having this weird wall, you know, there's like an extra foot of space. I don't know if I can back up enough to show you, but before there would be a wall basically going along, you know, from that corner over there to this pole, and then right on over to the kind of, as you see at the left-hand corner there. So now it does feel a lot more spacious in here. Doesn't vent very well, by the way, with this fly closed. It's a condensation kind of heavy tint. But anyways, so there, you can pitch it without the fly, or I mean without the body. If you're just looking for moisture protection and you're not worried about bugs, you could do that, and this thing would weigh basically 1 1/4 pound, or 1 pound 2.5 ounces. It's probably not 1/4 pound, no, it's less than that. But anyways, you know, just over a pound really, and instead of 2 pounds that it becomes when you add the body, because that floor is actually kind of thick. So anyway, that's all I got now.